Welcome to PSLE Maths, where you find solutions to PSLE math problems. Please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for notification. Thank you.
Hello kids, let's look at a question from Catholic High School 2019 SA1 paper. This was asked by one of our subscribers. It's a pattern problem, question number 17. Lines of the same length and dots of the same size are used to form figures that follow a pattern. The first four figures are shown below. The table below shows the number of lines and dots used for each figure. So the table is given. The first question is complete the table for figure 5. So now let's look at the number of lines used. For figure 1, it's 12. Figure 2, 19. So the increase is plus 7. Figure 3 is 24, which means it's plus 5. And then figure 4 is 31. So again plus 7. So the next one should be plus 5. 31 plus 5 should be 36. So it's alternating as plus 7 and plus 5, plus 7 and plus 5. Similarly, for the number of dots used in the pattern, figure 1 is 7, then 11, 13, 17, which means the increase is plus 4, then plus 2, then plus 4, then plus 2. So the next one should be 19 dots. So that's the answer for the first question, which is the simple one. Now let's look at the second question. 72 lines are used for one of the figures. What is its figure number? So let's write down the figure numbers and the number of lines for each figure. So figure 1 is 12 as given in the table. 12, 19, 24, 31 and 36 until figure 5. We see something. All the figure odd numbers have even number of lines and all the figure even numbers have odd number of lines. Now we have to find the formula for the number of lines for figure n. For these kind of questions where the increase is alternating, for even and odd numbers the formula would be different. But this question gets easier because we only have to find the formula for the figure odd numbers. The question says the figure has 72 lines, which means the figure is going to be an odd number. So let's chart down only the odd numbers. Figure 1 has 12 lines, figure 3 has 24 lines, figure 5 has 36 lines. So we notice something very common here. The number of lines is a multiple of 12. So the formula is going to be 12 times something. First one is 1 times 12, figure 3 is 2 times 12, and figure 5 is 3 times 12. So the formula is 12 times half of n plus 1. So n plus 1 for the figure 1 is 2, half of 2 is 1, so it's 1 times 12. For figure 3, n plus 1 is 4, half of 4 is 2, 2 times 12 is 24. Similarly, for figure 5, n is 5, n plus 1 is 6, half of 6 is 3, 3 times 12 is 36. So this is the formula we have achieved. So this can be reduced. 12 times half is 6. So it's 6 times n plus 1 is the formula, which is 6n plus 1. If you have trouble deriving the formula for pattern problem, I suggest you go through the video how to derive formula for pattern problem. The link for this is given at the top right corner. Now for this question, the number of lines is given as 72 and we have already derived the formula as 6 times n plus 1. So we just have to equate the two. So 6 times n plus 1 is equal to 72, which means n plus 1 is 72 divided by 6, which is 12. So it means n is equal to 11. So we got the answer as figure number 11 would have 72 lines. So that's the answer to this question.
Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel for more problem sums. If you have a specific question that you would like to see a video on, please post it in the comment section. Thank you.